Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Chris with BilletBox.info, and I've got another short one at 1:30 in the morning on Thursday. I don't know if y'all like these little short, quick ones. They're not RBA videos, they're not device videos, they're just minor accessories, but I'm just going to put it out there. I've got some new things from a company called Leather Imagine, and he's tried to send these to me twice, and they've gotten returned back to him both times, and finally got here today. These are some samples he sent me, and I just want to show y'all what they are. So we'll just jump right down into it. So I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this private pile, and I think I figured it out. Got a bridged in there, a 1.2. This is a V2 bridged NFG version, and a stainless steel 1.2 drip tip. And I took the Ultim button off and put a stainless steel button. And I've got these camo panels from YEC on there. And as you can see, I've done something with this. And what that is metal stickers by this company, Leather Imagine. And what they look like is this. And by the way, this is the company here, Leather Imagine. They've got a group on Facebook that you need to join to get hooked up with them. But he's got a lot of different variations. So this is what I have on this one. And these are silver, metallic, and it's two-sided. I'll show you how to put one on. I've already put this one on, and I don't have any other box that I'm ready to put any on, so I'm going to show you. I'll show y'all in a minute. So you've also got black. If you notice, he's also added some Monarchy logos to this one. You've got different numbers here, so you can set up what your you can cut out this and put a, if it's a 2021, take the 1 and put it in there instead of a 0 or a 2 or whatever. There's a black 2022, a gold 2020 with Monarchy stuff, and then a gold 2022. So he also has these, which where'd they go? He also makes some other types of stickers. This is one that I've got pulled off that we're going to put on this box, and that's the NFG Wicked Panda. But he's also got these, some of these. Come on. Just small little labels you could put just wherever you wanted to put them or whatever. I wanted to put it right there, whatever. So, but we're going to go ahead and show you how to put one of these on. This is the NFG, and it's going to match with these letters here. So I'm not going to be very precise on where I put it. I think I'm going to put it right there. And so you've got two different sides here, and it's a little tough to get started, especially if you don't have fingernails, which I actually do, so it shouldn't be an issue. But you just separate this. It's a lot easier on the bigger pieces. So there's a hard piece and a soft piece here. Your letters, hopefully if you pull these off slow enough, with the letters it's a little different, but with this guy it's going to be a lot easier, I think. And you pull the thicker backing piece off, and then now your sticker is on this side, so you're going to push this here, and we're going to just line it up right there, set it down on the box. Doesn't really have to be precise, and with this one you can just kind of run your finger on there and it should transfer just fine. There's a little adhesive on the other side of that, but what I like to do, just take something, don't scratch your box up, and just make sure all the pieces, these little small areas, like with the eye, I had an issue with this, getting the eye to come loose from this piece of paper, so did a little bit of this, and then it transferred to the actual box, and when I pull this plastic off, it should stay there, but I had a little issue with the eye, like I said. So, but anyway, I'm just kind of letting y'all know about this cool product. Not sure how Billet Box Vapor feels about these, but you know, because they are using their logo, but they look cool. So here we go. Let's see if we nailed this one. All right, I do not feel any resistance, so it's going to lay down just fine on there. So you pull this the thinner plastic piece off, and there we go. It's on there. So now we have a little NFG there to match with our NFG in here, and we're good to go. How's that look? What do you think? And also in the comments, let me know, do these little short videos like this that have nothing to do with RBAs or anything, do y'all like these as well as the RBAs and mods? And by the way, I should have in the next week, I've been promising this, but in the next week and a half to 2 weeks, I should bring you 3 different mods. One special present from Billet Box Vapor, a white harpy with Billet Box info logos on it, and a red and white anodized BXR from Husar. So anyway, I'm Chris, Billet Box Info. Thanks for watching.